24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask the children about their visit to the zoo. Ask them to discuss how they should take care of animals. Make sure that every child gets a chance to discuss. Now, show the picture of a zebra and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a zebra. It is white and black. Its name is zebra, and it is an animal. Ask the children if they know where it lives. Tell them that a zebra lives in a jungle. Now, show to the class a picture of a zoo and frame the question like you have asked about the zebra. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter Z and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter Z, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letters Z with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you can come too. We're going to the zoo, zoo. We're going to the zoo. See the elephant with a long trunk swinging, great big ears and a long trunk swinging, stuffing up peanuts with a long trunk swinging, and we can stay all day.
Write the letter Z on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letters Z and it says Z. Say the sound of the letter Z. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Z. Zebra. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter Z activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter Z on the middle lines and give instructions. Start from the middle line and draw a straight line across. Then draw a diagonal line all the way down till the 3rd line. Finally, draw another straight line in the right side across the bottom. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter Z with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter Z in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize Z. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter Z can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.